cameras because I do not know whether, uh, you know, today the most of the session I will be talking and then I will show you some tips and techniques as to what exactly we should be doing it. So may I request you all to just open your cameras, please. Good, good. Hey, Nagendra. Man, if you people come, I feel as if I am in office. That's very nice. Okay, great, great. Okay. So, hi, Vinod. Welcome back.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. So today the topic, before I get into the topic, there are a couple of new people who have joined. So what I will do is that since we just waited for a couple of minutes for the others to join, I will take the 2-3 minutes quickly to introduce them what exactly is this communities and what exactly our structure of this one is, our programs and other thing. I'll just take only 3 minutes for those people who are joining new. And next time onwards, I will not take even this time for introducing them. Rather, I will create a video and I will share it with all the newcomers so that will ease out for them to understand the framework, the structure, the whatnot about the introduction of our community. So welcome all the new joiners. There are a couple of people who have joined last week. Thank you very much for joining and having trust in the community and the coaching. Definitely. This is under the banner of Suswarm Coaching, where I, as a Sridhar, I'll be the, I think you can open the cameras here, no problems at all. My vision is that I have a vision of providing the appropriate support to all, initially to all the employees in terms of 3 areas, mainly 3 areas. The first one is in their day-to-day official and as well as personal life, what are the skills, what are all the techniques, tools, other things, what they need to learn to excel in their career and other personal life also. That is the first one. The second one is what is a missing link today? See, you people might be having a lot of skills. Everyone might be having a lot of skills, but still that is not sufficient. And even for those people who excel, having multiple certifications, skills, knowledge, experience, but still there is a gap. They are having some or other issues or like that. I do not want to get into that details, what that could be. I think of some of them like, I didn't get a promotion. Once they get the promotion, are they happy? No. I didn't get a salary increase. After getting some salaries increase, are they happy? After some time, no. So some or other issues will be cropping up. So how to manage that, how to settle down, how to really, be little bit, balanced, happy, and achieving success all the time. So those are all the things which I will coach under the pillar called as Vision Dharma Tribe. And the last one is the Project Management Hub, where I'll be talking more about the project management related. Now, let me park it here. I will talk about this because that is the subject today. So all these 3 will fall under the umbrella of a community, which I call it as a Big Brother community. In this, why I said that as a community, because I wanted to form the community to a state where you get a lot of support on the official, that is work environment and personal environment front with regard to all the points what I said, maintaining the balance, maintaining a good relationship, taking right decisions, excelling in your skills and other thing, technology, various things, 365 degrees as a proper employee. You must have seen a pictures, 2 pictures called as Mr. Perfect and even Arya. So I want you to be like that. You should be Mr. Perfect.
Hey, Varanya. Itra.
I'm sorry. So that is what the goal of Big Brother Dusan is. And finally, what I would like to share with you is that in this community, we will be having these type of regular webinars on workshops rather on Saturdays at 11 o'clock And please note, if at all, if you miss this webinar by any chance, I appreciate if you join because it's a face-to-face. We can clarify some question and answers at the end. If you miss, the recordings will be there. That will be uploaded into the portal. I will run through a video mentioning about how to walk through the portal and other things also next time when you join the webinar workshop. So you'll get a complete clarity in case if you do not have. The last but not the least, not only just webinar, the coaching consists of providing you a seminar, webinar, workshops, then materials, then gamifications. There are a lot of professional games which I'll be conducting. But you must be wondering, Harry, you are telling so many things, but we have seen for the people who have attended twice or thrice, you are giving only the workshops. Then what about the other ones? You have to wait because I started this around 2-3 weeks back. I'm building the team. We started with 2-3 people. Now we are 10 to 12 people right now, and we are going to increase every week 2 or 3 people getting added. And I am releasing some advertisements also. And we will be increasing the number in the community once it reaches a certain stage. Then all these things will come into place. And also, I am also growing. So it takes a little time. Please behold. Just wait for some time. So having said that, okay, now let me get on to the point today. I have taken exactly 5 minutes. Thank you very much for your patience for all the people who are earlier members of the community. Once again, warm welcome to all of you on a Saturday morning on 6th September at 11 o'clock. Thank you very much for joining today's workshop. We are going to talk about a guide, your best guide for your project management success. Now, when I said project management, most of the people here are not project management guys. Most of the people here are not the people who are looking for careers in project management. Many of the people are completely out of the syllabus. They are administrative guys, they are operations guys, they are HR guys, they are finance guys, so on and so forth. Then why project management? This is because there is a syndrome in our mind that project management means software project management, or project management means some big, what is it called, building constructions, all that. No. So that is why I do not want to make you confused. Why today it is project management? Is this a subject relevant to me? That's what the question you might be having. Absolutely do not worry. At the end of the session, you will understand. Okay. Now, keeping that aside, you might be wondering, okay, I said 3 pillars. The first one is project management champion. The second one, I talked about the think tank Work Smart Nexus, where I will be talking about various technical and other skills what you require. And third one is the Vision Dharma Tribe, how I am going to cover. For those people who have joined new, I'm going to share the timetable after this session. The timetable will consist of the schedule, on which Saturday, what type of this. And I'll be picking up various topics under these 3 categories, and I'll be telling you every week. So that will help you 360 degrees over a period of time. See, after 1 month, after 2 months, I bet it I'm going to conduct a sort of a feedback system from you where you need to give me a genuine discern how, in what way you people have improved in terms of your personal and career life, right? I bet it you will improve. Otherwise, you can blindly unsubscribe your membership also. That's what the guarantee and the trust what I have. So please don't worry. Just be patient. Only my request is 2 things. Have belief in 2 things. One, the experience. That is nothing. The second one is the most important. I follow some scriptures of wisdom. I'll be teaching you that. I'll be coaching you on that. Trust me, just blindly follow. Trust me and follow. That is the word what I can tell you, which you will get the results, right? Hope I have given enough introduction. Now let me go back to the subject again. Project management is a subject of not merely for a project management professionals or aspirants, but to everyone in this community. Be it a police officer, be it a doctor, be it an engineer, be it a teacher, be it an artist, sports person, project management is needed. Why and how is what you are going to learn. And it is not merely a theory subject. Again, I am requesting you, you can open your cameras. I am talking to myself. I am seeing my camera only is on. Please, that will help me understand whether you people are sleeping or you are listening to me, right? Because I am going to ask you some, let us make it interactive. You might be having some doubts or like that. Please, you can raise your hand, you can ask. You know, this is all practical. This is not a typical coaching. This is not training. Please, this is not a training or this is not something else. It is not mentoring. It is purely coaching. Coaching, what is meant by coaching? Coaching is imparting knowledge and making you apply those things in your real life, hand holding, making you successful in that area. So please, don't worry whether you are wearing even pajama or whatever it is, shorts. Don't worry. It is in the burst size, right, camera? No worry.
Sir, one thing, sir.
Yeah.
So in your topics, right, please add the PM operations also. Like, for example, so this is kind of what you say, managing the project codes, right? We have the master code, child code, right?
Right.
And we have the STP says, right, for example. So we have different DCs, for example. People will be in the says and STP. Says will
Right.
have some discount and HTP like that one, right? So
Right.
how to
Right.
manage the project codes, right? Those kind of thing. I think you understand better. I think
No
that is
problem.
one of the new tasks I need to going forward. New one given to me actually. DMS project budgeting system, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Effort overrun. Okay.
Mm.
So these kind of things also please add as a chapter, whatever you are having the existing one.
Definitely. Definitely. Sure. Sure. Happy to see a few faces and other people. They have not yet opened the camera, but it's okay. Oh, good. Good. I'm also having pakoda. Okay. So definitely I will do that, Gopal. Anyhow, I think I'm going to cover everything, whatever it is, not today, because step by step I am. In case, okay, it's a good point where I wanted to tell you. In case, not only project management, at your workplace, when you come across a challenge, do not wait for this Saturday or like that. Please pick up the phone, talk to me immediately. And please send me a WhatsApp message in the community telling that, hey, I require some help on this. I will call you and we can have a chat at our convenient time because we'll be in office and also I need to take some time from out of it. I'll call you and I will try to help you out. So not to worry at all. So hope that answers some doubts pertaining to that, whatever Gopal has asked. Now Gopal is expecting some support from the project budgeting, how exactly it is. So in case if there is anything, see, I will take it generically, everyone. But if that is something specific to your requirement need right now, please send me a message. I will call. We'll discuss. I will guide you. Not to worry at all. Okay. But anyhow, I'll be taking this subject because that's a very important subject in project. Okay, now come back. Project. In all our minds, project. See, today I'm going to take around 30 minutes on the introduction, the overall, then you'll get an idea. Then I'll get into some sort of your favorite day-to-day, what you use the tool, which you don't know that it is going to help you on your project management. I'll tell you that. Okay. So a project, what is a project? Again, I don't think that I'm not going to talk about what is a project definition. What is that? What is this? As per the books, as per PMI, don't worry. My coaching is not typical anything to that of any institutions. It is very practical. Okay. Let me, before explaining you that, very simple way, let me take Kumar. Kumar, in your office, you will be having a lot of work to do. Your boss, your manager will be giving some or other work. What is that activity called as, if you know, can you just tell me in a normal English? He'll be giving some work to you every day. What is that work called as? It is called task. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Every activity, whatever you get, is a task. Now, when you go back, for example, Arjun goes back home and after office, he returns. Immediately when he goes, his family will ask, hey, Arjun, can you please go to the market and get some vegetables and all that? That is a task. So always remember, when you are going to do, here there are three things. As per the Sanskrit words, there are three things: manasa, vacha, karmana. That means you do something with your heart, you do something with your speech, vacha, karmana, do with your hands and legs. In this session, project management deals with the third option, not manasa, vacha. You should not tell, I will do this, but if you don't do anything, gone. Project is gone. I think my project will be successful. If you think nothing will happen, you have to go and do it. So, karmana, do karma, you have to do that. So, that is what we are going to emphasize today. So, what is that you will be doing? You will be doing either an activity or a task. See, again, I am not, please take up that in your mind. Project management means software project management, project managers, all that. Okay, in that case, I will ask you one question. Nagendra, you are driving a motorcycle or a scooter. What is your profession called as? Suppose, for example, don't worry, don't mind it. Suppose you are delivering something on your motorbike. You are riding a motorbike. What is it? What is it people they call you? If you paint, you are called as a painter. If you are something like, you are called as something else. But what is that if you drive a motorcycle?
The driver.
Driver. If you are driving a car, driver. If you are driving a this one, you are a driver. If you are driving a flight, you are called pilot. But all drivers.
Yeah.
In that case, if you are managing a project, you are a project manager. If you are managing something else, also you are a project manager. Who said you are not a project manager? Every person here are all project managers by default, because you are managing the biggest product in your life, which is called as the life. A life, I'll come to that point, you will understand. See, again, don't think that what is it is talking about philosophy and nothing. I am talking practical. So every task, whatever you do with this karmana is a task. A task is something which you do, which has a start time and end time. And you have to think about whether you should do the task or you should delegate it to somebody else. You should ask others to help you. Or you should think about, suppose, for example, Chaudhary says that today I am going to office, from office, I will go to that some bank, I will complete the bank work and come. Then she will ask, hey, I am going to the bank. I don't have money to go to the bank in the auto or like that, because you take the car, give me the money. So to perform the task, you require money. So now what is all you have planned, designed now? You need to have a start date. You need to have an end date. You need to have some people, if at all, if it is required. You need to have money if it is required. Then in some cases, if there are 2-3 tasks, go to the bank, go to vegetable shop, and go to the children's to bring them home. Logically, which one should be done first, second, third? That's the project. That's all. I gave you the definition of a project. A project means anything what you do, not manasa, vacha, no. Anything you do, which is so-called as a task, which has a start time, end time, or start date. If it is a big one, start date and end date, which has some activities or a task to do, which requires some money, which requires some people to work with, and which will have a plan, which one should do after what. That is called a project. But again, here is the point though. If it is only one task, then it's a task. If that task has multiple small things required, I'll tell you what exactly it is. Assume that Arjun plans to go to, say, Singapore for a vacation with his family. And then he will say, okay, guys, let us plan for a family trip, a vacation to Singapore. So he said he announced something, which is the title of his project. Because why it is called as a project? Because it involves a lot of work to do. What is that work? Number one, the task number one, go and get all your passports. If at all, if it is not renew it, otherwise get a new passport. Number two, go to the travel agent and book the tickets. Number three, go to the bank and get the conversion done of your Indian rupees to Singapore dollars. Like that. So here, there are so many tasks involved in that. All the tasks grouped under, it is called as a project. If it is packaged, it is called as a project. So project is consistent of various tasks. And each and every task will have some minute activities also. Those are comes under the task. Project, task, and activities. That is how it is. Now you might be wondering, why should I know I am a developer? I am a coder. I am something else. I am a designer. I am a police officer. Why should I talk about all this? Please understand, all of us, we plan to go to Tirupati. We took a bus. And Kumar is going to be driving the bus. He doesn't know how to go to Tirupati from here. We gave him a fantastic bus. We said that we'll pay him something for taking us there and returning. We gave him all the benefits and we asked him to come and sit in the bus, and we are all sat with our luggages and everything and said, go. He doesn't know where to go. And he doesn't know what exactly is the components of the bus. If something goes wrong, doesn't know anything. He knows how to drive the bus. Then what will happen? He will go directly to Chennai, from there to Bangalore, from there to Hyderabad. He will be watching the board, where is Tirupati. Maybe instead of one day, he will take 4 or 5 days to reach Tirupati. The reason is that he doesn't know. He has to practically go onto the field and experiment and learn and do that. What is that called as? He doesn't have a plan. What is the plan? Go to Tirupati. What is going to Tirupati? It is a project. It's a plan. To have a plan to how to implement that task is called as a project plan. Simple. So how the project plan should be? A project plan should say, this is a project. It should start from this time, this time. These are all the tasks. This task will have a start time or end time. This task should be done by so-and-so person. To do this much amount is required. First, select the bus, this much cost. Petrol, this much cost. Maintenance, this much cost. So he's budgeting for the project. So this is all what you should know at a very high level. Understood? So never ever think that in your day-to-day life, you don't require project management. Project management is required in every day-to-day life. If you know how to manage, now you tell me, I said every human being is a project manager. Why? Because he has a start date and end date. That is date of birth, and other one I need not tell. So in this, he'll have some important dates to remember. What is that called as? A person who took his birth, he will reach a level of 10th class. That is the first this one achievement. Then college, second achievement. Then job, third achievement. Then marriage, fourth achievement. Then children. What is that achievements called as in our project? It is called milestones. Every milestone, right? So you break that into a logical groups, that is called milestones. So simple as that. Project, milestone, task, activity, start and end dates, and what are all the elements involved in that. That's all. You are now project managers. That's all. Okay. Is that done? Okay. Now, this is just an intro of a project manager. Again, now I am telling you, you are not project managers of a software company. You are your own profession. Why I said? Because a doctor also, he needs to manage a clinic, he needs to manage the patients, he needs to manage medical reports, he needs to have so many things he'll be having, family life. And every person in this world will have the group, one task or set of tasks to be done. So logically think as to when, what, where, how he needs to complete that. He can complete it very easily. Hope you all understand. Now I'll pause it here for a minute and I'll ask you if you have any doubts or questions. Please. Anyone has anything? You can raise a hand or talk directly.
Sir,
Yes, Kumar.
yeah, actually, you are telling is very nice and good. I can understand. But how it helps, this project management, how it helps with my day-to-day life?
Correct. Correct. So now that's what I'm telling, Kumar. In your practical life, you will think of, say, marrying or arranging a marriage or planning a marriage for your son or daughter. What you will do? You will take a paper pen, you will sit with your family or friends or well-wishers. First thing, we need to book this one, we need to do that, we need to do this. Okay, you will list down all the things. Fine. But then you will create a WhatsApp group and get onto a call. Arey, have you done this? Have you done that? Arey, this has to be done. Come on, let us do that. Arey, we need to get the finance. Every time you are managing the activities in a chaos, it is not well planned. It is not well managed. It is not well projected. What will be the approximate cost of this entire project getting married, getting the marriage done of my daughter or son? The total cost will be around 50 lakhs. Track it. Each and every task, tracking them. Each and every activity, how it is progressing, who is doing. If he is not doing, talking to them, communicating to them. You will get all the varieties of activities in the task, in the project management. I am not going to tell you right now. I'll tell you one by one. And one of that is what Gopal has asked. Budget management. Hey, what is it you are showing in different angles your camera? I could not understand. That's fine. So, good. At least you are interactive. I like that. So, what you need to do is, for your personal life, anything, whatever you do, you perform, you work, anything you plan in a small way, big way, whatever it is, which consists of multiple activities, you design, you plan in such a way that, I need to conduct an event. Varalakshmi Vratam, I need to conduct at my home. What is that I need to do? Go to shopping, that is the first one. Then shopping, whatever you need to buy, that is a checklist. Then arrange, get some money. 2, 3, arrange for some food for the people, caterers or whatever. Number 4, arrange the flowers and other thing, get the flowers, do the decoration. So these are all the categorically you just plan it. You design the activities, assign them to the people, plan it in such a way and follow up on the task and other thing. This is how it will help you to track, to monitor, to manage effectively of the task what you do at home. Did I answer your question, Kumar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, don't worry, you can switch on the camera. I'm just kidding. That's all. Okay, so here, today, that's all what I want to tell about the project management. Now, don't worry, I am going into the depth of the project. I'll make you the perfect project managers, providing you, if I tell you, you'll faint. You'll say, oh my God, he's telling so many things. Don't worry. Project, okay, just as a, what is it called, outline, I will just tell you what is it you will be learning in it. I gave only the introduction to make you understand project management is not a science, is not a subject for only for certain people. Each and every individual is a project manager. But professionally, if you want to be a real thorough project manager, what is that involved? I told only 5 things, right? What is that? Task, a start date and date. Then it is something money is involved, people assignment and dependencies and all that. These are the 5 things what I told. But these all things will come under one thing that is called a scheduler in project. It is called project scheduling. Okay. Now, what else will be there? In a project, if I tell you, don't get worried. That is the real project management means. If you are interested, you can definitely learn. But anyhow, I'm going to tell. I'm going to tell everything. Not today, don't worry. It starts with the scope management. It's again follows by schedule management, cost management, integration management, communication management, risk management, partner management, vendor management, quality management, resource management. All 9, these are all called knowledge areas of project management as per the PMI standards. PMI is the leader or the body. There are 2 bodies in the world who are the leaders of project management knowledge. That is, first one is PMI, Project Management Institute, based out of US. They are the top body. And the other one is called Prince 2. Prince, Prince, Prince 2. These are the 2. One is Europe, one is US. These are 2 bodies who give the best knowledge, best principles, best methods of managing a project as a project manager. Okay, I'll go through one by one at a later stage. It's a lifelong coaching, so I'll be coaching you. In case if it is something urgent for you, like the way how Gopal he has selected project cost management, budgeting and other things. That I will take it. If it is urgent, I will take it personally. Don't worry. Now today, I have introduced this subject and I told you that it is used for your personal life. Kumar gave a very good question that how it is going to work, how it is going to help in my day-to-day life. I told him, I told you all. Now, okay, you said project means sitting and writing all the tasks, whatever we need to do, identifying who are all the people. But is there something which can help us to do this? A tool. Immediately, many of you people, especially software guys, will get a bulb. MS Project. Am I right or not? How many of you agree? MS Project. No? You don't agree? Okay, please talk here. Please speak. Why you are so silent? MS Project is a tool. MS Project is a tool which is used for planning a project, for scheduling a project. Okay. But it is not exactly a project management software. Why? Because there are so many things. There are so many things involved in that. It is only a planner, a scheduler, a scheduling tool. But then for our personal life, we don't require a big software, big tools to do that. Am I right?
Yes.
So what I wanted is, I want to introduce a small tool which you people know very well. Every day you are working with that, which will help you to manage this effectively. Most of you people start using that also, but I am 100% sure that you are not using it to the fullest potential or completely. Can anyone guess what is the for this tasks and other things which you people are using but you are not using fully? If anyone can tell me the right answer, I'll give you a gift. I'll send you a gift. What is the tool? Can you guess, anyone?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT.
No. ChatGPT is a very good generic generative AI for copying. Copy means not copying, copywriting. For task management and other things. Every day you use. More than ChatGPT you'll be using.
Outlook.
Perfect. MS Outlook, Microsoft Outlook. Many of you people, Outlook means emailing. That's all you know. But it is a one, and some people know that it can do calendaring also, scheduling meetings and that. More than that, people do not know what is the capacity and what are the total framework of a Outlook. So today, I am going to quickly take, already 40 minutes over, I'll just quickly run through the Outlook from managing your task personally as well as in office life, how to organize things properly. Got it? Is everything like everyone okay with that?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So let me share the screen. Oh, this is still there. Okay. Hope you people can see the screen. I need some pakoda. Right? Sorry, sir, my camera is not working. Yes, sir. Okay. So let me just show you. Okay, this is your favorite, this one which you'll be working every day in, day out, right? So, Outlook. Number one, how many of you know that in Outlook you can configure multiple mailboxes? See here. This is my official mailbox. This is my personal mailbox, coaching. This is my social media mailbox. This is my personal organization mailbox. This is my completely personal Gmail account. This is my official mailbox, personal and official mailbox. See, Microsoft and all that. Okay. So you can configure multiple mailboxes in your. Now, here, if you come across any doubts, don't worry. I am going to have a complete session of complete drilling of Microsoft Outlook, which will help you a lot in your day-to-day life. Don't worry about it. Today, I'm going to talk about project management, how to organize project-related activities in your Outlook. Okay. Now, the question 2, who else is there? Let me. Some people are very silent. I want to make them participate. Okay. Nandini, can you tell me which feature in Outlook can help in managing the tasks? Which feature in Outlook? This is mail.
Okay.
I'm sorry?
No, sir, I'm just looking at the screen.
Oh, you are looking. So that shows that you have not opened or used that. So many people, they use only the mails, and many people, they use the calendar to see whether they have any calendar or not. But the most important, very, very important thing, there is another one called as tasks. This one. See here. This is what is called a task. My task, it will come here. And the wonderful thing is, for every mailbox, you will have a task. See here, this is one task. This is my office task. This is my personal task. There is nothing here. And see here, so many, right? So you have, for every mailbox what you have created, there will be task. So to just make you people to feel, understand, or feel better, I'll take something which you have already some tasks. Say, for example, this is my official, but don't worry. I will take this as an example. See here, there is only one thing what you need to understand. There are two concepts in Microsoft tasks, managing the task. The first one is tasks. The other one is to do. What is the difference? Task is something like doing an activity. You have to do an activity, that is called task. But there is another one which is called to do. To do means, for example, you have a mail. For example, I have a mail like this. Say, okay, Gopal Krishnan missed my special offer. He has given me a mail like this. Okay. Now I felt this is important. Okay, I can convert that into some important or whatever. But I thought that I need to reply to him, or I need to follow up on this. I can just say flag. Just see here, missed my special offer. I am flagging it. Okay, 1 second. I will follow flag. This flag has come now. Now, what does this mean? I can go here, I can clear this flag once it is done. Now, if you go to task, it is actually a to-do. If you go to to-do, what is that? This one I said, the subject line I said, missed my special offer. Okay, go to this one, go to to-do list. Just to check whether that stupid thing missed, where I can see here, it's so many are there. Oh my God, oh my God. See, note one thing, these are all mails, which I have created, what is it called as, probably you cannot sort by this, okay. There will be something, don't worry, it will be there here. Oh my God, there are too many here. too many things I have to do. I have so many activities to do here. It is not a task. It is a lot of activities because this is an activity. See here, all mails. You can see all mails. You see all mails which I need to follow up, or I have to take a call. I have to do some activity based on that. So you can go to any mail and just flag it. And sometimes you can set this one also. Say, for example, you can flag, you can clear flag, of course, and follow up. Okay. You can customize that flag when exactly you need to follow up and all. That also you can do, right? I will tell you that. Not worry. Now let us go to the task. Task is important because this email you are converting to a activity or like that. But task is the main thing here. The task for these notes. This task, how to create a new task. Say, for example, if you want to create a new task, I'll go here and all what I do. Say, for example, I'll tell you, I am sitting with, say, Nagendra. I'll say, Nagendra, we need to have an event. So plan an event. Just type that and enter. Okay. Then second one. What else? What else? Then go to Bombay. So I created 2 tasks. Nothing. I just dropped those 2 tasks here. Now, where that has gone? Oh, let me see, because I have multiple email IDs and other things, it will run away somewhere or like that. Oh my God, I have to search here. Now, let me see. Search Bombay. Searching. So here, what will happen here is, you have dumped all the tasks. First thing what I want to tell you is whatever you have in your mind to do something, go to the my task and just dump it over there. You need not write anything. But later on, what you need to do, as I told you, every task will have 4 things. 1, what is the task? When you have to start? When you have to end? Are you going to delegate to someone? What is the cost? All that details. All that you can give. I think it is searching because I have too many. Sorry for that. I have too many things under my tasks, which I am doing it day in, day out. That's why I'll be very busy. But anyhow, don't worry. Because I have too many mailboxes and I think it is not responding. 1 second, just wait for it. Sorry for that. Ooh, come on. The system is getting slow. Man. Come on, come on. Okay, I'll do one thing. If I stop this abruptly, it will not open again. That's the problem with the Outlook. I'll go to Task Manager, Microsoft Outlook. Ah, it has come now. It got worried that I'll cancel the Microsoft Outlook. Okay. Cancel it. Okay. From where it has gone? This is too many. Okay. I'll say new task. See here. If you do not want, say, I'll say visit Bombay. That is my first task. When I am going to start this, I will say 9th. End date is something like I'll be returning on 13th. Then what is the time going to assign this task? See here, the assign task. I will assign to, for example, Nagendra. And I'll keep an updated copy of this task on my task list and send me a status report. See here, this is very important. And if I have already initiated this, having a discussion with him, and I'll say, I completed 25% of it already. I'll say send. That's it. It will get integrated with your email and it will create the task. See here. Sorry. Oh, I have sent it on my personal account, right? Where is Clear intelligence. Send items. No. It is my personal. Sridhar at
No, I got it from your Aristos.
that's what you got it, huh? Oh, good. Okay. Sent items. You got it, but I
Not,
didn't.
not from this. I think 1 second. Which I got it. Yeah, your Sridhar Aristos at.
Okay, whatever
from
it is,
Sridhar.
you got it right. No worry. The only problem what I have here is when I go to task, it is too many for me. I could not see that. I have to delete so many. I have complete close that. See, I do not want to waste time in searching for that task and other, but it will remind me, definitely. It will remind Nagendra and it will remind me also. Suppose, for example, if you don't want to assign, no need to assign. Just create a task for yourself and keep it, right? And the next one is very important that you can customize this task. Say, for example, you go to view and go to change view and see here, detailed tasks. You can get the details. And one good thing I have here is, now I can tell you how I can catch hold of that task where it is. Where is that? Where is that? Where is that? Assigned. Okay, see here. It is here. See, you got the point? I remember that I have assigned this task. So Nagendra, I have assigned so many tasks. And for something, I have assigned some tasks. Vemu, Kumar, I have assigned some tasks. So based on this, I can, this one, I can search and whatever. And even I can categorize them also, right? So see here, if it's a task is a word view, this task is a word view, it will show in red color. It will easy for you to understand. And suppose if this task is done, I'll just take this and I'll mark complete. What it says, it will not allow me to do that. You do not own this task because I have given it to Nagendra. So Nagendra has to say it is complete, then it will be done. So that is the power of this task management. Simple as that. See, ultimately what I want to tell you is you can manage your task, owner, the due date, the status, and which category it belongs to, whether what is the status of it, whether it is completed or not. All that you can see here. Now, for example, if you want anything like, for example, overview task. See here, this many tasks are overdue. I planned for an end date, but it has crossed it. So you have to monitor that. Again, I'm telling you, trust me, it's a good habit for you all to be, as an aspirants to be an effective project managers. Please start dumping your tasks. Please start creating your task in your Outlook. It is very helpful. Last but not the least about Outlook. Outlook is going to fade off. Fade off means it is to go away. Then what is next? The new Outlook is going to come here. In the right-hand side, you see here. This option is only for people who have Microsoft 365 account. The people who have a standalone, they will not get this. Try the new version. If I toggle this button on, you will get all new interface. In that new interface, task will not be there. Then what will be there? There is another stupid thing, which I don't like it. That's why I call it as stupid. There is a to-do app. See, I don't use that. That's why I'm not worried about it. But there is a one which is called tasks in the current Outlooks. To start using that, don't worry. Start using that. To do is much simpler version. If you want, I can run through definitely when I run through the Outlook in detail. At that time, I'll clear off all this so that you will understand the entire picture in detail. And on the other side, Outlook has many other integrated points, like you have mail, you have calendar, you have people, so many people involved, and you have organization explorer, which in your organization, under who are all the team and other things. Then you have tasks, then you have notes, some small notes and other thing. Then it is interconnected with Word, PowerPoint, Excel, everything. This is to do, this is OneDrive, and so on, even Copilot. If you go here and click here and say, I want more apps, you can have Copilot also. You can have Copilot and you can use the Copilot like the ChatGPT inside Outlook itself. So that is the power of task management. It's very useful. It will create reports for you. It will take care of your task, whatever you are doing. It will send you reminders like the way you have meeting in another 5 minutes, 30 minutes. Like that, it will keep telling you. And it is mobile friendly. You will get alerts on your mobile also because you will definitely be connected with your Outlook. Then you have various views in the task, which will help you to manage your activities and other things in day-to-day life. So this is all some of the benefits how you need to manage for your personal life. See, like the way how it is. See, this is my personal. Suswarm Sridhar at Aristos is my personal. This is my official. You can have both in one thing. You need not have two applications. You can start using that. And if you want professional, there are so many other things. See, people might get confused. There is one software called, what is it? What is it? What is that? I don't remember that web-based tools. Our office, they use for recruitment and other things. Anyone has an idea? Nagendra, you are a recruitment person.
What?
You have
Can you tell me what exactly?
a tool, what recruitment you people, they
We
use?
use Trello for now.
Trello. There is a Trello. There are so many other. Jira is another tool. Now you might get in doubt. What is that Jira? They are also managing tasks, right? Outlook also managing tasks. But now you tell me, for example, Kumar is, if I am right in his profile, I have seen he's an admin person. I'm sorry, I'll close this. This is right. Kumar is an admin person. Why should he use Jira? He cannot. He need not. Jira is strictly a software development. And the rule, hey, Nagendra, I can see your nose. Okay. No, when I see funny, I'll just comment like that. Okay. Jira is strictly an official tool because it is a development tool, development project management. It is not for personal, it is not for any other regular project. It is a bug tracking tool. It is a DevOps tool, Jira. So let us not work, let us not think about that. If you want, I can give you training on Jira also, but that is not is important here. Here is the point is you as a human, you as an employee, you as a person, how you should manage your task, either personal or official. Outlook is the best because we have Outlook anywhere, on your phone, on your laptop or whatever. So please start using that with the help of task management. If you have any doubts, please keep asking me. Now the time is 12. We have reached almost 1 hour. If you people like it, I would like to demo you one or two tools which is useful today to make you people, at least you must be wondering about, he has taken too much of theory. No, listen. So if you are interested, I can just run through quickly some two beautiful tools for you, which will be helpful for your day-to-day life. Would you like to? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the first tool, how many of you know how to use Google Gemini? They'll think that Google Gemini is a like ChatGPT competitor. They know how that Google Gemini can create small images and other things. That's all. But there is much more to that. Today, I'll demo it to you. Please have a look at it. And I'll show you two tools today. You'll really definitely like it, right? Now, before I just log into Google Gemini, can any one of you send a good picture of yours? A good picture of yours as a demo. I don't want to show mine. You send your good picture. Let me see, because I want to have some fun while learning. Send it to the WhatsApp group. In the meantime, I'll just log into Google Gemini. I will first share the screen. Okay, now you can see the screen. I'll close this. Nice background, right? Okay. Hope you all can see the screen. Again, this is important for your management, project management. Don't worry. I will log into. I'll teach you 3 today as a bonus. Don't worry. Sign in. Man, you people are in our office, you remember, you will not believe. Pin drop silence, like an examination hall. They don't speak, they don't make noise. I keep telling, make noise, make fun, lot of have fun, enjoy your workplace. Similarly, here also in my coaching sessions, why you people are so silent? I know that you are involved or so much you must be sleepy otherwise, but please actually participate, talk. There is nothing formal here. We are all just together, right? Please keep talking, have fun, and learn. That's
Then
all.
when will I get my goodie?
Good. Definitely you'll get it. And you have to share with everyone, show them everyone, because they'll think that I'm just simply joking. I'll get you the goodie on Monday. Don't worry.
Sure.
100%. You gave the right answer. Okay, guys. Now I have logged in. Did you send the image? Anyone? I want Sugandhi or someone to send this time.
Yes, sir, I have sent.
Man, this is something. Okay, that's fine. Ah, Arjun had. I'll take Arjun's suggestion. This is nice, actually. I'll take Arjun's one. Okay. I will download this on my desktop. Save as. Hope you people are all seeing my screen. If you have not, then do let me know. Okay. See, as you know, I'll go to Google Gemini now. I'm in Google Gemini. Generally, people start doing this. Say, for example, Project Champion Hub. Create a good logo, something like that. We'll type, and it will create a good logo for you. If you don't like it, you can keep asking another one, change that, change this, and all. That's fine. This you know, right? Yeah, it has given you a good logo. But beyond that, we can do a lot of things with that. See what is that is can do. I am going to load Arjun's picture. And here you just have an eye on this. Tools. Now I'm going to select Create Image. That is the tool which I'm going to activate here. And then I'm going to type change the color of the dress color of the child from pink to blue. How do you like it? If you want to do this in Photoshop, there are so many tools are there which you need to have a brains to do that. Why should we waste on that time? Now, put a hat and green color goggles for the male person. Hat. Oh, it has put a cap. It's fine. Then I will take, because Kumar might be feeling little reason why I have not used his picture. We'll take his picture also. And one thing, I'll show you another one. That's also a beautiful one. Are you people enjoying? You can do a lot of wonders here with this.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing this first time.
Upload picture, then Kumar. Create an image with straight profile. It's a side profile. You cannot do this in Photoshop. Trust me. A person who is standing and looking in this direction, if you want to turn that, I do not know. Probably, I think it is very difficult to do it in Photoshop or any other design. Only AI can do that. Oh, it is still. Okay, I will do one thing. Create a six-pack app. Let us see. Do some research, do some reason, explore new possibilities. Yeah. Remove
Super.
remove the chat and show the stack abs. Nice, yeah. Tomorrow, I think people will ask you to remove your shirt and show. Be careful. How is it? Sorry, but that's beautiful. Replace the goggles with a black sunglasses. See, you can do, and of course, I will take another one example of this one. Very difficult to do, if at all, if you are going to, if you want this type of this one in a normal standard photo editing and other things, softwares. Hey, what is that? Replace. Oh, it has taken the earlier picture. That's fine. I will do one thing. I will say replace instead of the baby with cow calf. Let us see what it will do. Oh. You can change the background completely to another one, to a new location or something. How is it, Arjun? Your daughter has become a calf, nice, beautiful calf. See how nice it is, how real it is. Can you people?
This is really good.
Yeah. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, so this is all what you can do. Now, create a background of the picture with temple premises. Now you don't trust any pictures, whatever you get, especially for the bachelors. If they really look at girls or girls looking at boys, they don't trust the pictures. Huh? I don't know who are all here still unmarried. Don't do any gimmicks like this. Eh? How is it? See how real it is. Hello.
No, this is really nice.
Yeah. So like that, you can do a lot with this image plugin here provided by Google Gemini. That's all I wanted to show you with regard to Google Gemini, right? Now, the other one which I want to show you is, please, this is much more beautiful than that. And this is very helpful for you, for the people who are working on projects and other things or anything else. Okay, let me show that. Gopal, this is very useful for you, the one which I'm going to show you now. This is called Notebook LM. Go to Notebook LM and create a new one. And then you upload any document, something like, say, for example, I will upload some document. Okay. This is too big. What is this? Okay. I'll upload this document, some document I wanted to upload. I'll say open. This will take, might be a little time, but just have patience and really look at the advanced techniques and this one, how it is useful for you at your workplace. Vinod, you are there because probably I feel that you like this sort of this one. I thought that it was very useful.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm there.
Good,
It
good,
looks
good.
interesting.
Now you see, it from the document what I have uploaded, it has given me a summary, right? Now I'll say, create a synopsis of the from the document. From the document. Very useful for you. Okay, this you might think that, okay, I can do this from what is it called, ChatGPT and other things. That's fine. But see the power of it, which I'm going to show you. You will be amazed, mind blown. I'll just said create a mind map. See, it is creating a mind map. Right side. All right, it has created a mind map. Let us see the mind map. See, it has created a mind map, but of course, this is a very small one. I will take another one. It is going to create a wow, really, this one. How to go back, man? How to go back? Okay. Hey, where is it? Big brother. Yeah, we are here. I am going to generate a video overview. See here, this is the most interesting thing. You'll be shocked to see the way how it has created from the document such a beautiful audio video. It's a template. It's a PowerPoint. It's a PowerPoint presentation, but with a voiceover and other things. Beautiful it will be. And the language it uses and the way how it tells the this an audience, mind blowing. See here. It is useful for the school and college goers also, kids also. It takes a little time. You need to be patient for that. So in the meantime, what I will do is that I'll go to another tool, which I'll show you. But definitely, I'll come back and I'll show you the output of it, how it will be. You can create an audio overview, video overview, reports on this document. You can create mind maps. You can create some notes. This is what we call it as a notebook LM, right? Language model. Beautiful one. Trust me, you will like it. Okay. The next tool, which I'm going to show you, is fantastic tool. Napkin.ai. This is a free tool. Don't worry. See here. Oh, it's asking for this. No, sign in. No, wow, boring. Get napkin free. Okay, I'll sign in. Sign in with Google. Okay, sign in. Continue. Guys, you're all there. Slowly going away. Select an option for work, for personal use. Next. Where are you planning to use napkin presentations? Brainstorming, whatever it is. Select an option. What did you hear about us? Someone told me. Done. Create my first napkin. Now it is telling by generating text using AI by pasting my text content. It is telling like that. Okay. Paste your content here. Okay, I will paste the content. Go here. Take some document. Take a document. What document I can take for the demo? It is telling document, right? New names. Corporate Gita guide. I am preparing this. Sridhar Y document. Something I created. I was writing. Okay. Hope you people are all seeing the screen. I have created some document. Is there in your listen? You just copy that. Whatever you want. Right? You copy that. Control C. Go to napkin. And paste it. You pasted it. Are you understanding? Are you with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. I could hear only one voice. How about others? Gopal, Nandini,
Yes, sir.
Vinod.
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir. I'm
Yes.
getting cough. That's the reason I'm not able to.
Oh, okay,
listen to
okay.
audio.
No problem. No worry. So you pasted everything here. Now, all what I will do is I'll say generate visuals. See, it is scanning through the, what is it called, the document here. And it is going to generate the visuals. See here. And the visuals are so beautiful, like, it gives you options, right? You can, and with these visuals, you can just change the color, the style, this one, whatever, the layouts, 16:9, 1:1, whatever it is. And then you can finally export it and save it as a PNG or SVG or PDF or this one. I'm telling you, it's not only limited to this. You can have whatever. My God, I do not know how to really give you some. Okay, I will do one thing. Instead of this example, this seems to be very nothing. I will go and ask ChatGPT itself. 1 second, wait. What happened to my, where is that? LLM. What is happening to that? Where is that LLM? All right. Is it done? No, it is still generating video. Okay. This bar is really pain. I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll say, write 4 paragraphs. 4 paragraphs of the tech dinner hosted by President Trump to all tech leaders. Searching the web, search. So I'm just typing some, what is it called, text. Okay, I'll copy this text. I'll go to napkin. Where is it, napkin? No. Is this the same napkin? No. My God, every time I used to. No, this is Canva. Where is my napkin has gone? What happened? It is here. Okay, I will remove all this and I will paste this. Oh, again, it is coming as one. I wanted something like, okay. Just see here on the left-hand side, you'll say generate visual. Just click that. That's it. You select the text and say generate. Once you do that, you will get a beautiful, see, it's all generating here. See here, how nice. And you will have multiple images for that generation. And then once you click that, then it will give you the options of various designs like this. I like this light color design. You save that. So when you are creating a document or anything like that, if you want some relevant pictures and the diagrams or whatever it is, you can create like this using the napkin.ai. Select the text and just go and click this button. You will get the various options. Even you can click here and do whatever the changes, whatever you want, the colors, that font text. And good thing is, let me show you whether where is that? Yeah. Visual up to date, information, layout, ranking, style. This is background. This is aspect ratio. There is another one. I forgot where it is. It will instantly change your language. That's one of the beauty part of it. Hope is this the same thing what I'm talking about? See here. See, you can change to any design or something like that. And go to here. Layouts, colors, and generate visuals in auto detect. Here. I will say do it in Telugu. Yeah. I will create it in Telugu. See here. Like it. I have another 10 minutes more, don't worry. It will give you the images and the letters and other things in Telugu, the language what you select actually. See here, can you see how nice it is? See, again, same, you can get with various designs, colors, whatever this one is. Okay, now in the meantime, let us go and see what is happening here. Oh yeah, your video is ready. Would you like to see this? Have a look at this. How to make this? You can download it. I don't want to download at this minute. Hope you can see the screen, the video. I'm playing it.
All right, today we're tearing down a really fascinating document. And you know, it's super short. We're talking just 3 lines, but the language it uses, wow. It is so packed with meaning, so provocative that we just have to deconstruct it. Let's get right into it. I want to start with this phrase pulled right from the source material. Big Brother V20. Just let that sit with you for a second. It's a mix of words you just don't expect to see together, especially when you're talking about something like coaching or self-improvement. It's familiar for sure, but also pretty unsettling. So how in the world did we get to a phrase that jarring? Well, the whole story really starts with the very first line of the document, which actually makes a pretty simple promise. So the document kicks off with this simple heading, V 2.0. Right away, you know this language. It's straight out of the tech world from software updates. It immediately frames everything that follows, not as just advice, but as an upgrade. It feels modern, clean, forward thinking. And that's the key, right? By starting with V 2.0, the author's setting a very clear expectation. This is an improvement. This isn't just more of the same old thing. Oh no, this is new, this is better. The bugs have been worked out, and we've added some exciting new features for a much better user experience. And using that language, well, it immediately makes you ask a pretty big question. If this is an upgrade, what exactly is the product that's being improved here? Is it some coaching method, or is it you, the person getting the coaching? The document doesn't say, but that implication is incredibly powerful. This brings us to the second heading. And this, right here, is where that promised upgrade takes a really dramatic turn. It reveals the how, the method for actually getting you to version 2.0. And there it is again. See, it's not just a random comment, it is the title of the method itself. And notice how V20 is attached right to it. The document is explicitly and kind of shockingly framing total surveillance, that whole big brother concept, as the key new feature in this upgraded system. This creates such a wild tension. On one side, you've got the world of coaching, which is all about support, growth, partnership. And on the other, you've got Big Brother, a concept that's all about control, surveillance, and authority. This document just smashes these two completely opposite ideas together. So you have to ask yourself, what is going on here? Is Big Brother being presented as a desirable feature, a radical, game-changing tool for self-improvement, or is it an accidental and frankly pretty chilling warning about what this coaching is really all about? The way it's framed suggests it's a feature, which is exactly what makes it so mind-bending. Okay, so the final heading in our little document here seems to give us an answer. It pivots away from that really controversial method and focuses completely on the end result, framing this whole thing as a clear transaction. I mean, just look at this language. What you get? It's so direct, totally benefit-oriented. It's basically marketing copy. It's telling you that, hey, despite the unconventional, maybe even alarming method, there's a definite payoff. There's a return on your investment of being watched. So when you lay it all out, the logic here is actually pretty simple, but wow, is it powerful.
So how do you like it?
ఇది వేరే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఏం అవసరం లేదు ఇంకా ఇది ఒకటి చాలు.
Guys, please, all of you speak up.
Very useful, sir.
Yeah. Yes. So, see, these are some of the tools. Every time I'll be showing you some new tools and all. Whenever, see, I'll give you a summary in cut short. First thing, from now on, either at your office or at home, using your mobiles or whatever it is, whatever you want to do, get into the task. That is the first thing. Enter that into a system, use a simple version. Hey, I don't want to give you complex. See, if you want complex, I can give you MS Project, a server edition. These are all some of the things. But again, this is only for official use. If you want to use also, the company should be in a position to pay the license and other thing. No, even for you. Okay. For example, you are working somewhere in a police department or as a doctor, as an artist, or as a whatever it is, sports person. The body or where you are working, they might not provide you Outlook. It costs 125 rupees a month. Just 125 rupees a month to get Outlook from Microsoft. It is called Microsoft 365. You go for Outlook. If you pay 300 or something plus per month, you will get the complete suite of Office products. So you get a beautiful product. Apart from Outlook, you get everything. Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, everything. If you want any help, please do let me know. I'll try to go online and I'll show you. I'll make a video also for that. And use Outlook tasks for your day-to-day task management from today. It will help you to be productive, to plan your activities, to implement those activities, to assign those activities to others with a proper start date and end date, track them properly. At least for personal you start. Then officially anyhow you will be having a lot of, but this is the best tool. Why? Because sometimes when you come across an email, you can convert that to a task. Right click and say to do. Convert or save it as a to do. It will save it. Then you track that. It is easy. So like that, you start using it today. That is a simple project management which I wanted to guide you and coach you today. That is the first. Now coming to the tools. Don't get bogged off with too many tools. I will select the one which is very useful for you. Chat GPT and Gemini is more than enough for you. More than enough for your office and personal life. Chat GPT should be used all for copywriting. Just it's one of the best tool for copywriting. Meaning what? If you want a letter, if you want a legal document to be reviewed, if you want something XYZ, all this can be reviewed and this one managed by ChatGPT perfectly. Gemini also is very good. No doubt it is very good for copywriting, but ChatGPT stands first, Gemini stands second. But Gemini stands for images, videos, all that, number one, the best tool. Right? You have seen that. Some examples I have shown you. Then the third one. If you want to research some document, comment on that particular document and rewrite that with a synopsis, this, then go to Notebook LLM. And there you can create anything. And even if you want to give a presentation on that, take use of Notebook, this one, go to video, select the video. Within 5 minutes, you will get a beautiful video, show it. People will get adored. Adorable it is. And then audio also you'll get it. MP3 audio, you can download it. Okay. Now, assume that you have prepared a Word document, some document on something else, some topic, and you want to insert some pictures into that. Then go to Napkin, paste that document there, and at each and every paragraph, you'll get that Thunderbolt icon. Click on that. It is free, the tool. Click on that. You will get a beautiful image. You select the best one out of it and you select the content, the design, the color, all that, and paste it and download it as a PDF or whatever, Word document. So these are all the tools which you learned today. And in the last session, I have given you beautiful ideas about creating a PowerPoints. Just at a GP. Hope you people remember. But if not, please go through my video, which is available on the tool. If you want quickly to just see what exactly the tool, where it is and all, I'll just quickly run through 2 minutes. What you need to do is, okay, I'll stop all this. Go here, go to your, what is it called? Your portal. You know this portal. Go to courses. You will have a lot of courses. Trust me, go and have a look at this. Project management, all this, I have done that for you. Go through that. This is my previous workshops or seminars, webinars, which I have taken. In this, the first one, the workshop 1, see here, the first one is understanding yourself, the first video. And then the second one is the PowerPoint tips and techniques, which I have taken. Now the third one, I'll post it in another 24 hours. You'll get the third one, today's session. So you can go and watch this here. Okay. So that is all about today's session. I'll stop here. It's exactly 90 minutes, which I've taken on time. I'll give 5 minutes time for you people to ask any questions. Then we can sign off. Yes, please. Any questions? Now I'll eat my pakoda.
Take the session weekly twice.
Yeah, I'll be. See, again, the sessions will be on a lot of other areas also. Today, it is on project management. Next session is going to be your, hey, by the way, people have escaped. Who are all here? Arjun knew, Chaudeswari, Vinod, and other gentlemen also logged up. I'll be asking you the homework, the first session homework.
Yes, sir, I have completed.
Good, good. The other people, please go through the video, understand, you will have all the materials there. Please complete it. If you have any questions, don't worry. I'll going to repeat once again quickly. You will understand this because it is going to be a continuation on that. How you will really transform yourself from where you are to the next level. You will definitely get benefited out of it. Okay. So any other questions, please? Chaudeswari, you are very silent today.
No, sir.
How do you like it, today's session?
Yeah, it's good, sir.
Informative?
Actually, sorry, sir.
Is it informative for you?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Those 3 tools. Gemini, I know, but Notebook LLM and the napkin one, I
Yeah.
liked it very much.
Yeah. How about you, Vinod?
Yes, sir, it's good.
Good. Nandini, you have any questions, ma?
No, sir. The activity one you told is it from the first chapter or the other
Yeah,
one?
video, the first workshop. In that, you see the video, you will understand.
Okay.
Very important. That is the
Oh.
foundation for your growth. That is a foundation, I'm telling you. Trust me.
Oh,
And
I'll go through.
yeah, please go through that. And there are some homeworks which I have given. Please
Okay.
try to do that. It will help you a lot.
Sure.
The next session will be on some of the important topics which I'll cover as part of Vision Dharma Tribe.
Okay.
You'll be taught the wisdom, and followed by the another session on techniques. Again, some the tools, some of the skills which I'll be talking about, Excel, Outlook, different tools, not this and that.
Sir, next session, can you take an Outlook?
Why you don't want to important?
No, after Vision Dharma.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. I think Nandini asked me if I remember about Excel.
Okay.
I'll be taking Outlook, Excel, one after other.
Yeah, anything is fine.
Yeah. Anything else? Yeah, Arjun, any questions, any doubts, any clarifications, suggestions?
No, sir, I'm good, sir. Really.
Hope it is all beneficial to you people, and look forward, and we'll continuously grow. As part of my regular conversation and closing a remark, please help in growing this community. Please call for your friends, relatives, or whoever should get benefited out of this coaching and all. Thank you very much. By saying that, I am signing off. Bye-bye.
Bye,
If
sir.
you have
Bye, sir.
anything,
Thank you, sir.
just,
Bye.
yeah, keep
Thank
in
you,
touch
sir.
with
Bye.
WhatsApp and all.
Yeah, sure.
Bye.